Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple email accounts on iPhone. Now for us to proceed with this one, let's go ahead and open the settings here. And once we've opened the settings, we are going to type here in the search and mail. And you should be able to see here mail accounts. Go ahead and click that one. Now as of the moment, I have iCloud and Gmail here already. Now in order to add a new one, go ahead and click this one right here. And then go ahead and type your email here. Now for the mail account provider, you can go ahead and click this one and you're going to see everything here. Now say for example, we're going to proceed with Outlook. I'm going to open it. And then here I'm going to go ahead and type my email. And then I'm going to click next. And of course the passwords, I'm going to do that real quick. And then tap sign in. And yeah, once you're done, you can see something like this. It's basically asking for your permission of what are the things that you'd like to sync on your phone. So in my case, I'm just going to use mail, but you have the option to basically choose from here. And yeah, once you're done, you can see that now my Outlook has been added. Congratulations, everybody. That is how you're going to add multiple accounts here in your iPhone's email.